Hey, let's see how to link your Spotify to Instagram Notes in the 2026 update. So first you have to open up your Instagram app, go to your messages section. Now at the top, tap your profile picture where it says what's new or share a note. Now tap on the music icon and you will see a Spotify link pop up. But if you don't see it, no worries. Just tap the music icon again and here you will see an option to link your Spotify account. Just go for it and tap open. And that's it. And now you have to play a song from your Spotify. Go to Spotify account. Now hit this button again, share from Spotify. And now you can see your background playing song showing right on your note. You can even type something to go along with it if you want. Once you're happy with it, just tap share. And that's it. All of your friends can see and enjoy the song you shared from Spotify. Pretty cool feature, right? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.